Recruiters are drowning in applicants. Every role on LinkedIn gets 300 plus people applying, and with these candidate auto apply tools and bots flooding the market, it's only getting way worse. In fact, it's so bad right now, some teams have stopped posting on job boards altogether. Nora fixes that. She handles all your top of the funnel inbound screening. So first, we integrate directly with applicant tracking system, and Nora pulls in all positions and applicants. Second, Nora reviews every resume. It's not just keyword matching. She actually understands similar technologies, frameworks, and experiences. So if a candidate has 5 years of Angular experience instead of React, it's fine, Nora picks it up. Next, you pick who to interview. Send candidates interview links, and they get an email that looks something like this. These interviews are self-scheduled, which is super convenient for candidates. They just have to click on the interview links. They see an instruction onboarding screen, which is white label friendly, and to begin with, they just have to click on start. Here's how Nora AI works.
Hello, Hanan. I'm Nora, the AI interviewer from Nora AI. It's great to meet you today. Let's start with a brief introduction. Could you please tell me a bit about yourself?
Hey Nora, yeah, my name is Hanan. Super excited for this interview.
Thank you for your enthusiasm, Hanan. Let's dive into your experiences. Could you summarize your relevant experiences, particularly those relating to full-stack development?
Everything is through voice, so it feels like a real conversation. And before sending candidates the interview links, you can set the interview script. So Nora's using your questions, but it's handling the follow-up and the dialogue part naturally. After each interview, Nora generates a full report. Overall score, technical fit, cultural fit, soft skill, question-by-question analysis, and a video recording. We even detect cheating. So if candidates are using Google, ChatGPT, or scrolling on another tab, she'll know. That's Nora AI. For instance, in this position, I had 400 applicants. Nora did the resume screening, interviewed 200 candidates for me, and got it down to the top 5 candidates. That way, as a recruiter, I'm just focusing on top candidates and next steps. And this is just the start of Nora AI. Coming soon, we have facial cheating detection, IP tracking, ID verification, and other cool recruitment solutions. Thank you.